Full support ang dating Miss Universe winners na sina Gloria Diaz at Margie Moran sa pag-host ng Pilipinas sa prestigious pageant. May tips pa ang ating Pinay Beauty Queen sa mga kandidata. Yan ang chika ni Nelson Canlas.
Miss Philippines, please. Miss Philippines.
Ito ang winning question and answer portion ng kauna-unahang Miss Universe ng Pilipinas na si Binibining Gloria Diaz noong 1969.
Miss Philippines, in the next day or so, a man will land on the moon. If a man from the moon landed in your hometown, what would you do to entertain him?
Just the same things I do. I think if he's been in the moon for so long, I think when he comes over, he wants a change, I guess.
Very good, Miss Philippines. Here you go.
Dahil sa smart, witty, and confident na pagsagot na yan ng ating pambato, siyang itinanghal ng Miss Universe noong 1969.
Now, girls, the first runner-up is Miss USA, Miss Philippines.
Naulit ang karangalan na yan ng koronahang Miss Universe si Binibining Margarita Moran noong 1973. At ngayong dito sa Pilipinas gagawin ng Miss Universe pageant. Full support sina Miss Universe 1969 Gloria Diaz at Miss Universe 1973 Margie Moran.
The last time na nagkaroon po ng Miss Universe dito, you were the ones who welcomed the whole world dun sa opening video. Would you be having the same participation or meron pa po kayong ibang participation sa pageant ngayon?
Actually, ang plano namin, bumili ng bathing suit. No, joking. They are not yet here, the officials of the Miss Universe. I'm sure they have a program already prepared, but we don't know what our role is. Whatever, we'll be there.
Malaki na raw ang pinagbago ng pageantry mula nang manalo sina Gloria at Margie. Pero sana raw ay hindi malimutan ng mga kandidata ang rason kung bakit sila sumali sa Patimpalak. Ito na rin daw ang kanilang maipapayo sa ating pambato na si Maxine Medina.
You just have to enjoy. You must not be pressured by anybody that you have to win, because I find that the contestants nowadays are very, very pressured. Just enjoy whatever you're doing because it's a good experience, and people will never forget the winner. But you can also, what you do to yourself after that experience is what's important.
Nelson Canlas updated sa Showbiz Happenings.